Hola amigos, Señor Mateo here again, and today we're going to have another episode of Cocinando con Señor Mateo, Cooking with Señor Mateo. And today's recipe is going to be a cinnamon apple muffin, o muffin de canela y manzana. So, the ingredients we're going to need for this recipe are the following: harina, flour, azúcar, sugar, manzana picada, chopped apple, mantequilla, butter, levadura en polvo, baking powder, canela, cinnamon, sal, salt, extracto de vainilla, vanilla extract, and leche, milk. And that's all we need, amigos. Let's get on to the steps for baking these muffins de manzana y canela. The first step is sifting some of our ingredients. To sift is to tamizar. So I'm going to sift the harina, the flour, and so it's getting any clumps in our baking process. Here's the harina. Now I'm going to sift the levadura en polvo, baking powder, our sal, and our canela, our cinnamon. Me encanta el olor de la canela. I love the smell of canela. Es deliciosa. Muy bien. So, just like that, amigos, we have tamizado all our ingredients. We have sifted all the ingredients that we need so far. The next step, amigos, is with our manzana picada, our chopped apple, we are going to coat it lightly with some harina and canela, which I've already taken the liberty to mix. That looks pretty good. And now, my friends, we have mantequilla, butter that has reached room temperature, and I'm going to cream it by adding sugar, azúcar. I'm going to use this mixer to do it. I'm just going to start it off without turning it on first because I don't want the azúcar to fly everywhere. And once this is creamed after about 3 minutes of blending, we're going to add our huevos, one huevo at a time, followed by our extracto de vainilla, vanilla extract. So that looks pretty creamy. I'm going to add one huevo at a time. Remember, we're adding 2 huevos total. So I'll add my first huevo, and we're going to mix this in nicely. I'm going to add my second huevo. Add my extracto de vainilla, vanilla extract. And that just looks about the right consistency that we need to move forward. We're now going to fold in our flour mixture, and we're going to alternate it with the leche, the milk. Here we go. And I'm not going to use an electric batidora or mixer. I'm going to use un batidor, which is a whisk. Poco de leche. And of course, we must add the manzana. So that is going to be the last step, and we're just going to fold it into our batter. here we have the finished batter, my friends. We're going to now spoon some into our little muffin cups and then pop them into the oven where they will bake approximately 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So like I mentioned before, we're just gonna spoon a little bit of batter into each one of these little muffin cups. We are now going to pop our muffins de canela y manzana into the oven for baking for about 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Hola amigos, so our muffins de canela y manzana, or cinnamon apple muffins, have just been taken out of the oven, and you know what, instead of needing 30 minutes, they actually only needed 25 minutos, 25 minutes, and I know that because I got my little toothpick like baking stick here, and I just went in and I poked every single one of them and they all came out dry. So once these cool down, amigos, I'm going to brush a little bit of mantequilla on top of each one, and then I'm going to dip the top into some canela and azúcar to give it a nice yummy topping. But before we get there, and before I let this start to cool even further, I just wanted you to notice all these muffins. You know, they all look a little bit different. They're all different shapes and sizes. Some are bigger, some are smaller. And that's okay. You know, these muffins are just like us. And that's what makes the world great. They're all different. And we are all unique. And that's really important to keep in mind. So, see you in a few minutes. Our muffins de canela y manzana are now room temperature. They've cooled, they're not hot anymore, so it's a perfect time to add our topping. With our topping, I've just melted a little bit of mantequilla, butter, so I'm just gonna have I have a little brush here that I'm gonna just grab the mantequilla, brush over the top, and then we will get each one of our muffins and just gently dip it into our mix of azúcar and canela, sugar and cinnamon. These muffins make for a great merienda. I can't wait to have merienda and show you what those look like once I've taken a big bite into it. And this mix here, this is more than enough sugar and cinnamon that I need. More canela and azúcar than I really need. So I'm just gonna, when I'm through with this, there's plenty left over, so I'm just gonna stick it in a little Ziploc bag and save it for another day. So I move this out of the way and this out of the way. And look at these beautiful muffins, amigos. Look how spectacular they look. Super delicioso. I can't wait to share them with you. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Hola amigos, here we are, and I am about to dig into my muffin de canela y manzana, my cinnamon apple muffin that we baked. And I also actually have café con leche, a glass of coffee with milk. And this is a great time of the day. It's called merienda, when a lot of my little amigos in España have an afternoon snack, like when they get home from school and stuff. And even though I'm not home from school technically, it's a great time just to have a little snack, and I'm looking forward to digging into this muffin de manzana right now. It's very moist, very fluffy. If you can see, amigos, there's a little piece of manzana right there, and it's all spread out the muffin. This muffin de manzana, amigos, is muy delicioso, este muffin. I highly recommend that you try this recipe or any other recipe that you'd like to try, and let me know how it goes. Until next time, amigos, adios.